Hello, today I'm in Subaru XV. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can increase the radio volume, decrease it, mute it, and you can change radio station. Thanks to this button we can manage instrument cluster menu. This button allows us to change radio source. This button allows us to activate voice assistant, and thanks to these buttons we can answer and end the calls. On the right side we've got the button thanks to which we can enable and manage cruise control, and again here we've got the buttons thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.